Welcome to the introduction to this series of tutorials about book folding. In this video series, you will learn how to fold a book in 4 different ways using the CAD pattern table or the CAD pattern stripe picture in order to create 4 unique mark, cut and fold books. In part 1, you will learn how to create a mark, cut and fold book in which the pattern is extruded, meaning it is higher than the background. In the classical art digital instruction, this is called method 1. Part 2 shows you how to create a mark, cut and fold book in which the pattern is intruded, meaning it is going deeper into the book than the background. In the classical art digital instruction, this is described in method 2. In part 3, you will learn about 2 other methods to obtain interesting results with your books. In the classical art digital instruction, these are called method 3 and method 4. In part 4, you will find useful hints to speed up the process of creating your unique book and suggestions which method to use depending on the dimensions of the book you want to use for your project. Mark, cut and fold and enjoy your book with Classical Art Digital.